Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I got another video for you. So I was contacted by a company, and what they want me to do is try out this new camera. It's for 2019 and up. Don't quote me. I'll show you the generation of the car. Basically, this car is supposed to be similar to the other one that I did on the same car, but it's a different company. So I'm gonna do the installation, but the installation should be pretty much similar to the other dash cam that I did. Okay, so we're gonna do the installation. Hopefully we can just get this done quickly and finish it up. Anyway, so a lot of you guys who watch my channel have not subscribed. Boop, 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 boop. Oop, actually it's right here. Boop, 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 boop. Hit the subscribe button down below, put notification bell on so you don't miss any of my video. Without further ado, let's custom it. All right guys, this is the camera they sent me. Is for Mango. Anyways, so this is the dash cam. This is what it looks like. Let me take this packaging out. All right, so now you guys can really see it. So this is the dash cam. Okay, they sent me the camera and they want me to take a quick little view of it, install it, and see what I think. It has built-in Wi-Fi, G sensor for parking mode, also has parking mode, has time-lapse parking mode, and it has a Sony IMX335 sensor and a Novotec processor. Also does 4K Ultra HD 3840 by 2160 at 30 psi, 150-degree ultra wide plus viewing angle, and loop cycle and split recording mode. And also has up to 128 gig class 10 U3 speed for 4K video requirements. So that's really nice guys. All right, so guys, based on the book, the camera can do, the lens is 1.8, the video format is JPEG or MP4. Okay, and that's about it guys. Hope you like it. Let's see what's inside the box. It's coming. All right, there we go. So please read the following precaution carefully before and use it. All right, it's stuff for you guys to read. There's a lot of stuff to read. All right, so the stuff about iOS setting, what app to download, about CarPlay, Android Auto, Wi-Fi Connect, about the camera, what else, about parking, and if you have any issue you can contact them. So there's like, this is really good guys. I like that. Okay, let's open everything up here. Okay guys, so this is the camera. So it will be like this. All right, you have the little connector right there. That's probably for the rear, I'm assuming. Okay, has a good weight to it, you know. So you got two buttons here, one to take a picture and one to power it on, and the USB goes right on the side. Okay, let's see what else is in the box. Okay, boom, we got this right here guys. This is for to connect the camera, and then we got this guy over here, this connector goes in the front. I'll show you where it goes when I take everything out. Okay, and that's about it. I have a little trim removal tool, couple zip tie. That's the manual guys. And last but not least, they give you a SD card. 128. That's pretty good. Impressive. I like that. All right guys, let's go and do the installation. This should be a fairly simple installation. All right, let's go. All right guys, so to take out the camera we have to take this thing off. Okay, so there is a little clip right here. We got to pop it down. Let me try to figure out how to take it down. Normally it should be able to slide this down. Okay, I think let me see if I can take this thing off first. Okay, I'm gonna have to try to take the middle piece off first. Let me get some, oh, hold on, I got a clip removal tool right here. All right, I got it guys. You just pop it down and then this part unclips. Okay, and then what you're gonna have to do, I think you're gonna have to reuse these clips here. Okay. So new camera, let me take the clips out. Oh, I got it. It popped off. Oh, let me go find it. All right, guys, I got the clips out. I found them. They popped off, but we got them. That's 1, 2. That's simple. Okay. After you install the clip, we gotta install this connector. Okay, let me show you where it is. Get connected to. There's a connector right here, guys. See, I'll try to zoom in so you can see. You unplug this connector. All right, and you piggyback on it. Goes here, boom, and that other end goes right there. All right, got it in. Okay, now we need to connect the camera itself, guys. So let me go and connect it. Should be fairly simple. Boom. Okay, now let me try and align this guy. Oh, hold on. Oh, we gotta take this thing off. I forgot. So this one is the new one. I think we may not be able to use the old one. Let me take the old one out. Okay, let me see if this one fits in. All right, look like it's okay. Now let's just line this guy up. Okay, guys, I think I got the camera in. Yeah, I got the camera in finally. Okay, now we can put this clip down. Okay, so it goes at an angle like that, and then clip in. All right, guys, she's in, guys. She's in. There you go, guys, she's in. I don't know if you could see it. I hope you could see it. This is it. Almost don't notice the difference, so we're gonna go real quick and turn it on. Let me see if you could see it from the front. Let me turn it on real quick, guys. This is it, right? This is it. Now let me go to the direction and download the app like they say to do. Hold that thought. All right, guys, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna go on the phone now and trying to find the app. So the app is called Skycam. So let me go to the App Store. App Store, search for Skycam. Skycam. Okay, now we put our password. Okay, now it's downloading. Let's just give it a minute. Download, yes. Open, agree, add camera, allow while using the app. Let me start the car. Allow, add camera, next. Okay, I need to go to the Wi-Fi setting. Wi-Fi, what is the camera called? Wi-Fi DVR, it has to be that one. What's the password for this guy? Guys, so the password is in the book, so make sure you go into the book to find the password, but it's very easy. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Very easy one, right? Join. Okay, all right, we're connected now. Let me go back to the app, go to add a camera. All right, I found the camera. Boom, there we go. It's recording. So recording. Okay, guys, it's very simple. The app, you see the camera. All right, you know what, hold on, I need to format the Oh, I need to put the SD card in. I didn't put the SD card in, guys. The SD card, let's put it in. It goes right up here. Okay, SD card is in. Let's try it again. Connect to camera. Wi-Fi. Give me a second. Okay, connected. Now we go back here. It should see the camera. Boom. Okay, it's connected. All right, guys, we'll drive around and get a couple footage and add it to the video, guys. So that's it. All right, so we're in the settings now. You can change your volume, the image resolution, 12 megapixel. I think it's the highest. Resolution is 4K. Loop recording is 1 minute. Exposure, we're gonna leave it at 0. Collision censoring, we're gonna put that to low. Parking mode, we're gonna leave that to off right now. Okay, Wi-Fi, we're gonna leave that alone. Format, that's it. There's not much to it, so I'm gonna take a couple video, guys, later and show you what it looks like. All right, that is all. All right, guys, this little Magnol, here's the name, Magnol. This camera is installed, guys, and so far it was a very easy install. It should be no more than like 15, let's call it 20 minutes. All right, 20 minutes, that should be all. It's an easy camera to install, but this version only has the front camera. I do think they have a version with the rear, so I don't know yet, but I'll check with them. If they do, I will add it to the description down below. All right, guys, so that's it. Like and subscribe, comment down below, tell me what you think. Until the next time, peace.